All right, companies is a new thing that Shopify has just added. So in 2022, Shopify indicated that they're going to be moving to support businesses with their B2B relationships a lot more aggressively. And that means they're going to be rolling out some great in-dashboard features for that. So if we go over to depending on when this came out, now I mentioned this when we were under products with price lists, but depending on when you're watching this video, you may have the option to go into companies. Now, companies is great because now it allows you to go and create a company and then assign a primary contact to that company. Now, again, I just want to caveat that this is a brand new feature. We haven't been able to see all of the effects of it, and I imagine they're going to be rolling out new updates for it as we go, but let's go in and add a company. So let's go add a company. We're going to go Acme. I'll zoom in here so you guys can see what's going on. Acme Incorporated. Okay. So this is a company ID. This is a company ID if you have another system that you want to connect these things to. So say you have a CRM and it has an ID on that side of things and you want to make sure that they stay connected. It's important to make sure that company ID is unique. Inside our company, we do the name of the company without any spaces or special characters in it. Main contact, you can go and select a main contact for the company, so who you would reach out to, and then their location and their shipping address. So you go and fill out their location and shipping address. Now, if they have a specific location ID, this is similar to company ID. You would go in and place it in here. Now, once we are set up a company, we can actually go and select a price list. So if we want to give them a special price list so that when they log in and look at the prices, they now have the ability to pull that down. And we went over price lists when we were under products. Okay, checkout and payment. Order submission, submit all orders as drafts for review. So if a customer goes onto your website and they order something, they can go and submit all orders. So their checkout is actually going to create a draft automatically. This only works if they're using the right URL, and we'll go over which URL is the correct one. I did mention it when we were going through settings earlier in the course, but we're going to go over that a little bit later once we start to set up some wholesale stuff. And then we can select what the payment terms are for that particular company. They've got their tax ID and their tax exemptions if they are if they apply. Then down at the bottom, we can hit save, and it will create our company. And that is all there is to know about the company section. Now, you still have the filter like you would, but as you notice, because this is such a new section inside of Shopify, there's no import or export yet, which is unfortunate, but that is probably something that will be coming in early 2023. And I will update this course once that happens. All right, that's everything for the customer section. Next up, we're going to be going over our analytics.